Posé et nous sommes venus là pour me dire allô très vite et pour me dire que m'a retourné, m'a venu encore sur chaîne là, base posé en parler créole, gain voté, gain contentement en Haïti. Stay tuned for more videos to come, for more topics to be discussed on the channel. I've been away because I was taking some summer classes and I just couldn't afford to have divided up in Haiti and put the word out there that there is beauty and happiness in Haiti. Yes, it exists. Yes, there is unity. Yes, there is brotherhood. Yes, yes, yes. I can't wait. I just can't wait, and I want you guys to stay tuned. Look for more videos. Look for discussion. Look for news. Look for what I'm gonna bring to you guys because it's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna try to keep it exciting. Pour nous envahir, pour nous simailler, bonne idée et l'amour qui besoin envahir, qui besoin prendre dans tout pays. So, base posée, Kimbella.